Naghahanap ka ba ng online typing job na pwedeng gawin dito sa Philippines? Yung hindi mo kailangan ng experience, pwede sa students at stay-at-home parents. Sa video na to, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang ilang opportunities at options na pwede mong subukan basta handa kang magtiyaga. Walang magic dito pero kung masipag ka, pwede ito maging source of income. Pero bago tayo magsimula, make sure na nakasubscribe ka na sa channel at naka-on ang notification para hindi mo ma-miss ang mga online job opportunities na ipopost natin. This is BWise, your guide to finding online income opportunities, kaya tara, simulan na natin. One of the most recommended platform ay itong Webloaded. Hindi lang siya available sa Philippines kundi available siya globally, so wherever you are, pwede kang mag-apply dito. No experience needed and you can join for free. Actually, madaming remote works dito, hindi lang typing jobs. First, yung entry-level jobs. Ito yung mga game playing, video watching, ad clicking, and copy-paste. Sa micro-jobs naman, nandito yung data entry, typing, form filling, surveys, and internet research. Meron din ditong virtual jobs para sa mga gustong maging VA, mag-tutor, mag-transcript, and translation. Writing jobs, ito naman yung mga content writing, user testing, designing jobs, nandito yung mga graphic design, logos, animation, and photo editing. Marketing jobs like digital marketing, social media, and content marketing. Managerial jobs, developer job, coaching jobs, and all other remote freelance opportunity. So yung iba dito is nagpipay per week and yung iba naman is per task. So syempre depende sa task mo. So kung typing job yung hinahanap nyo, pwede kayo dito sa micro jobs and virtual jobs. So now, ano naman ang mga requirements para makapag-apply dito? You must meet the 4 basic requirements. First, you must be at least 18 years old. Kung 17 and below ka, hindi ka pwede dito. Reliable device, mas better kung meron kang laptop, desktop, or modern smartphone. Kapag malag kasi yung phone na gagamitin natin, maaapektuhan nito yung work natin and pwedeng mapatagal or mapabagal, kaya dapat stable din yung internet connection natin. Active payment method, bank account, PayPal or digital wallet to receive a weekly payment. Kung wala pa kayong mga bank accounts, I suggest itong PayPal kasi madali lang gumawa ng PayPal account and mostly talaga sa mga remote jobs, PayPal yung payment method. And lastly, basic English skills. Hindi mo naman kailangan maging fluent sa English basta nakaka-read and write ka ng basic English to understand the task instruction is okay na yon. So kung na-meet nyo tong 4 na requirements, you can proceed to the next step. But before we proceed, explore muna natin ang site. Importante din na may alam tayo sa mga site na pinapasok natin. Dito nga, flexible working hours, meaning hawak mo ang beat. Hawak mo yung oras mo. You can choose a project that aligns with your lifestyle, whether you are digital nomad or looking for secondary income. And then pwede din dito yung mga students at stay-at-home parents. Those who need flexible, remote part-time jobs to effortlessly balance their studies or family commitments. So may mga frequently asked question din dito like, is there any registration fee? Wala pong registration fee dito. They will never ask you to pay para makapag-apply. Kung meron manghingi sa inyo ng mga registration or processing fee, wag nyo na pong ituloy because it's a scam. So now proceed na tayo dito sa next step. Meron ditong 3 simple steps. First is complete your profile. Just tell them about your skills kasi kailangan nila malaman yung mga preference mo sa typing, writing, and data entry to match you with the right employers. Number 2, pass the skill verification. You must complete a 1-minute automated interview. Ito naman ay para lang ma-verify na marunong ka sa English at real person ka. And once na na-verify ka na and your profile becomes active, you will gain immediate access to the job dashboard where you can browse tasks, accept contracts, and set up your payment method. And to start the application, eto na yung final step. Quick automated chat lang to para ma-set up ang profile preference natin. What type of jobs interest you? So kayo na ang bahalang pumili dito and you can select multiple. For example, data entry, customer support, or content writing, or virtual assistance. So it really depends on you. Do you prefer part-time or full-time? So kung gusto nyo ng full-time, select full-time. And kung gusto nyo naman mag-part-time, select part-time. If gusto nyo naman ng weekends only, or morning only, or evening only, or anytime, kayo na ang bahala. What is your experience level? Are you total beginner ba? Or are you a student? Or less than a year experience? So kung meron kayong experience, select nyo lang dito. Or kung student pa lang kayo, pwede nyo select ang student or total beginner. What is your desired monthly income? So kayo na ang bahala dito if prefer ninyo hourly rate or fixed price or weekly payouts or monthly salary, kayo na po ang bahala. Which platform have you worked on? So kung nakapag-work na kayo before dito sa mga platforms na to, pwede nyong iselect or kung hindi pa naman, just select none or I'm new. Are you comfortable working remotely? So if you are very comfortable or somewhat comfortable or not comfortable, or do you prefer calls, chat, or need mo ba ng training? And then next, what is your preferred communication method? Through emails ba, chat, video calls, or phone calls, or any method, kayo na rin po ang bahala. Can you manage your own deadlines? Yes, I am organized, or do you need supervision? Kayo na po ang bahala. And lastly, what is your main career goal? Full-time career ba, side hustle, or are you here to gain experience? Kayo na rin po ang bahala. And then complete and view dashboard. And if the application is approved, the final step is create login and you will be redirected to the live job feed. So ayan, kapag nakita nyong approve yung application nyo, pwede na kayong mag-sign up ng name, last name, username, email, phone number. But before kayo mag-sign up dito guys, make sure na naintindihan nyo ang kanilang terms and condition and privacy policy. Dapat unawain nyo munang mabuti yan before kayo mag-sign up sa kahit na anong online platforms. Hindi ko sinasabing mabilis o guaranteed na makakakuha ka agad ng trabaho sa platform na to. Alam naman natin na mataas ang competition sa online jobs at pwedeng magbago rin ang availability ng mga tasks at job opportunities. So yung result dito is pwedeng mag-iba depende sa skills, qualification, and availability ng trabaho. Kaya palaging mag-research at basahin ang mga requirements ng bawat opportunity bago mag-apply.